Welcome to Washington, D.C. We are going to March 4th this week and tell Congress what we care about for veterans' health care, veterans' benefits.
The time for talk is over. It's not words, it's deeds.
This is our opportunity as comrades, as brothers and sisters, to take care of those who cannot do it themselves. That's why we're here. Be bold. I will walk through fire for anybody in this room.
We're here to talk about the VFW's issues. So please stay on message. What you're here in D.C. to do this week, it's to carry the voice of the veterans that aren't here.
By contract, you must ensure the VA has the resources and staff to provide veterans their full earned benefits. This is not an ask. Honor the contract because veterans cannot keep waiting. Our nation must never forget our warfighters. Thank you for the opportunity to discuss these important issues.
The 2025 Congressional Award and Citation presented to the Honorable Derek Van Orden.
I believe I am out of uniform. I'm incredibly honored to be a member of Congress, but this is not my identity. This is my identity. All right?
I don't know about you, but I've had a great time this week taking on this establishment. We are not finished. You need to understand there's more coming.